In this video we are going to look at how to optimize your Snapchat security and privacy settings to protect your account. First, click on your profile picture in the top left of the screen. Then click on the red cog symbol in the top right to open your settings. Here you will be able to customize and personalize your security settings. If you are unsure if your password is strong enough and want to reset it, click Password. Type in your existing password to begin resetting it. You will then be taken to a screen where you can reset your password. Make sure you make it strong and secure. You can also set up two-factor authentication. This is a good idea to ensure no one else can access your account. Click two-factor authentication and follow the steps necessary. This means you will need to enter a 6-digit code after entering your password to check it is definitely you accessing the account. You can set this up to either text you the code each time, or to authenticate the login through an app where you will also find a 6-digit code. If you have chosen to verify via text, enter the code you have received in your text message. Or enter the code found on the Authenticator app. After setting that up, go back to the Settings menu and scroll down to Manage. Here you will find a section called Permissions. Select this. Select Location to change your Snap Maps and filter settings. If you pick Camera, you can allow Snapchat to access your camera and take photos and videos. If you disable this setting, you will not be able to use the camera. Clicking Microphone allows you to enable or disable Snapchat access to use your microphone. Tap on Notifications to select how or if you are going to receive alerts from Snapchat. If you pick the Photos option, you can allow Snapchat to access your photo gallery, meaning you can save Snapchats and upload from your camera roll. Selecting Contacts gives you the choice to sync your contacts from your phone, making it easier to find friends on Snapchat. If you click on Clipboard, you can choose the settings when it comes to clearing your clipboard. This includes links you have copied and pasted. Next, go back to the Settings menu and scroll down to the Who Can area. This is where you can customize who can contact you, send you notifications, view your story, see your location, or view you in Quick Add. You can set these to Everyone, My Friends, Only These Friends, or My Friends Except. When editing the See My Location option, you have a few more choices to select. One of which is Ghost Mode. This disables your location entirely, meaning no one can see where you are. But you can still use Snap Maps and view others' locations. Some people are unaware that their location is currently displaying to all their Snapchat contacts. By controlling these settings, you can select who can see where you are. You can also tap the slider to allow your profile to appear in Quick Add. This means Snapchat will display your profile and prompt others to add you. You have now successfully optimized your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please visit heroitsupport.com.